is Agus Revaldo, and today I would like to present my critical response to a short story, and the title is Thank You Mom, written by Langston Hughes. I chose this story because I think it's simple, but it has a very deep meaning about kindness and changing human behavior. Thank You Mom by Langston Hughes tells the story of a young boy named Roger who tries to steal a purse from a woman named Mrs. Luella Bettis Waddington Jones. However, his attempt fails because Mrs. Jones is stronger than him. Instead of reporting him to the police, she takes Roger to her home. At her home, Mrs. Jones does not punish Roger. Instead, she takes care of him by giving him food and talking to him kindly. Mrs. Jones understands that Roger tried to steal because he wanted to buy a pair of blue sweatshirts. Mrs. Jones then gives him money to buy a shoes, while also teaching him an important lesson about honesty and making good choices. Through Mrs. Jones' kindness and empathy, Roger feels touched and begins to change. At the end of the story, Roger wants to say thank you sincerely, but he cannot express it properly before she closed the door. The main theme of this story is kindness and trust. It shows that kindness can change someone's behavior. Roger is a pure boy who makes a bad decision. But actually, he is not a bad person. He feels guilty and wanted to change. Mrs. Jones is a strong, kind, and wise woman. She teaches Roger a lesson not by punishment, but by trust and care. The conflict in this story is both external and internal. The external conflict happens when Roger tries to steal the purse. And the internal conflict happens inside Roger when he feels ashamed and starts thinking about his actions. The moral value of this story is that kindness and trust can change people more effectively than punishment. It also teaches us that everyone deserves have a second chance. In my opinion, the story is very touching and meaningful. I really like how Mrs. Jones handles the situation. She does not judge Roger, but instead helps him become a better person. From this story, I learned that small acts of kindness can have a big impact on others. It also reminds me that we should not quickly judge people, because everyone has their own struggles. Okay, that's all my presentation, short story about Thank You Mom. Thank you for attention guys. Bye. Assalamualaikum.